This is our 19-piece 3/8" drive socket set, product code TT3819. It comes with 13 6-point sockets, from 8mm all the way up to 22mm. It has a 72-teeth ratchet handle, a 3-inch wobble extension, some adapters, and it also comes with a 10-inch spinner handle. Taking a look at one of our sockets in further detail, this is the 22mm socket, you will notice that all of our socketry are made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel and have a satin finish. The satin finish is especially good for added grip in oily environments, and each socket is individually marked for quick and easy identification. This is a 3/8" drive ratchet, and you will notice that it is a 72-teeth ratchet, which is from our latest generation of ratchets. The 72 teeth provide a working arc of 5 degrees, which makes these ratchets extremely good to use in confined spaces. It also has a quick release function on the back of the head, and with one press, the socket comes right out. The head also features a rotation disc on the back for changing direction, and again you will notice the satin finish for added grip in oily environments. The entire ratchet head is sealed to prevent dust and dirt from getting in, giving it a longer life. The ratchet has a slim design, which means it is fantastic in confined spaces. It also has a bi-material grip and is easy to service. Every tool has its own specific place, so if you ever lose a tool, you will know exactly which one is missing. Our tool trays can be used on their own, as part of our unique organization concept. Every tray comes with a clip-off lid, and in this case we've taken off the lid to show you the tray inside. It can be used on its own, but if we take a look over here, you can see all of our tool trays click together. So you can literally build your own custom toolkit. We offer a lifetime warranty across our entire range. If you ever have an issue with a tool, all you need to do is take a photo of it, email it to us, and we'll get a replacement sent to you immediately. This is a lot faster than waiting 2 weeks for a tool truck to come around.